Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Volvo V90 2.0 D4 R-Design Plus Auto. Now this vehicle is currently on 35,220 miles and it's finished in the colour Savile Grey. It does come with one previous service. It's a very sleek, sporty estate vehicle, offering great practicality. It really does mean business. It does sit very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. It does feature very stylish LED headlights which light up the road nicely. You also have the very stylish rear lighting here as well. This Volvo does come with a powered tailgate, making access to the boot very easy. You do have a total of 560 litres, which can be increased to 1,526 litres with the rear seats down. There's also some additional storage here underneath the boot floor. Take a look inside to the vehicle now. Here at the rear, you've got your gorgeous part leather interior with the contrasting white stitching and the nice suede Alcantara effect in the centre of the seats. You also have ISOFIX points on the outer seats. And another perfect touch you have are these pull-out sun visors in the doors. Take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you've got the R-Design badging embossed into the leather on the headrest there. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat. The driver's seat is fully electrically adjustable. On the steering wheel here, you'll find your cruise control along with controls for the digital display in the instrument cluster and your radio controls. In the centre of the dashboard here, you'll find your infotainment screen, which does control the majority of the vehicle. You've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio, along with Bluetooth and USB connectivity, and even access to applications such as Spotify, Weather and Google. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. This Volvo does also have access to your Bluetooth telephone, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You have your trip information here with the vehicle. You can see your previous trip data as well here. You've got your driver safety features, things such as your heads-up display, which this vehicle comes with. You can see vehicle data displayed on the road ahead, such as your speedometer. There is also access to your collision avoidance as well as your lane keeping aid. On the system, you do also have access to your climate control. It's very easy to adjust, even buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. There is even a pre-conditioning feature as well. The front seats are also heated to keep you warm and comfortable on the road. This Volvo does feature parking sensors along with a reverse camera to make parking super easy. You have some physical controls here for the infotainment system, your automatic gear selector there with some storage in the centre, your toggle for the engine and also your driving modes here with Eco, Comfort and Dynamic.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.